red. Red apple. Blue. Blue sky. Yellow. Yellow flowers. Green. Green grass. Orange. Orange carrot. Purple. Purple grapes. Pink. Pink candy. Brown. Brown chocolate. Black. Black night. This is blue like the sky on a sunny day. This is yellow like a bright sunny sun. This is green like the grass. This is red like a juicy apple. This is orange like a tasty carrot. This is purple like a bunch of grapes. This is pink like a beautiful flower. This is brown like a yummy chocolate bar. Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. See you later.